Have you ever wished for a life where your deepest dreams become reality? Where your thoughts and desires take shape and manifest effortlessly? This isn't just a fantasy, it's the power of creative meditation and manifestation. Creative meditation helps you tap into the limitless potential of your mind, visualize your desires, and bring them into existence. By combining focused meditation with manifestation techniques, you can attract success, love, abundance, and personal fulfillment. In today's video, we'll explore: checkmark the science behind manifestation, checkmark step-by-step creative meditation techniques, checkmark the role of visualization and affirmations, checkmark common manifestation blocks and how to overcome them. Stay with me until the end, and don't forget to subscribe for more motivation. Creative meditation is a powerful technique that combines traditional meditation with visualization, imagination, and conscious creation. Unlike mindfulness meditation, which focuses on stillness and awareness, creative meditation allows you to actively engage your mind and shape the reality you want. Imagine painting a picture in your mind, every detail, every color, every emotion. The more vivid your imagination, the more real it becomes in your subconscious. Manifestation is the process of turning your thoughts into reality. It follows the principle that your energy attracts your experiences. The law of attraction states that what you focus on expands, meaning the thoughts and emotions you put out into the universe determine what comes back to you. If you focus on abundance, you attract wealth. If you focus on happiness, you attract joy. If you focus on fear, you attract obstacles. With creative meditation, you can train your mind to focus on what you truly want and align your energy with the life you desire. Many people think manifestation is just wishful thinking, but science backs it up. Checkmark the reticular activating system, RAS. Your brain filters information based on what's important to you. If you start focusing on success, your RAS will guide your attention to opportunities that align with your goals. Checkmark neuroplasticity. Your brain rewires itself based on repeated thoughts. When you visualize success consistently, your mind forms new neural pathways that make achieving your goals easier. Checkmark the power of energy and vibration. According to quantum physics, everything in the universe, including your thoughts, vibrates at a frequency. High vibrational emotions like gratitude, love, and excitement attract positive outcomes, while low vibrational emotions like fear and doubt block manifestation. Before you begin meditating, define your goal. Be specific. Instead of, "I want to be successful," say, "Right arrow, I am attracting a high-paying career that brings me joy and fulfillment." Write it down, say it out loud, and fully commit to it. Find a quiet place free from distractions. Light a candle, play soft music, or use essential oils to enhance relaxation. Start with deep breathing. Checkmark inhale for 4 seconds. Checkmark hold for 4 seconds. Checkmark exhale for 4 seconds. Feel your body relax. Imagine a warm light washing over you, clearing all negativity. Close your eyes and imagine yourself living your dream life. Engage all your senses. Checkmark what do you see? Your dream house, car, lifestyle. Checkmark what do you hear? Laughter, ocean waves, applause. Checkmark what do you feel? Happiness, confidence, success. Make it as real as possible in your mind. Use positive affirmations. Repeat powerful affirmations to reprogram your subconscious. Checkmark, I am worthy of success and abundance. Checkmark, everything I desire flows to me effortlessly. Checkmark, I am the creator of my reality. Write down your desires as if they've already happened. Example, right arrow, I am so grateful for my dream job that brings me financial abundance and joy. Create a vision board with images and words that represent your goals. Look at it daily to reinforce your belief. Express gratitude for what you already have. It raises your vibration and attracts more blessings. Many people fail to manifest because deep down, they don't believe they deserve success. Identify and replace limiting beliefs like, cross mark, I'll never be rich. Right pointing arrow check mark, wealth flows to me easily. Cross mark, love is hard to find. Right pointing arrow check mark, I am surrounded by love. Doubt weakens your manifestation. If you constantly think, what if this doesn't happen? You send mixed signals to the universe. Instead, trust the process. Avoid obsessing over when and how your manifestation will happen. Trust that the universe is aligning things perfectly for you. Manifestation isn't just about thinking, it's also about doing. If you want success, take small, consistent steps toward your goal. Creative meditation and manifestation are not just mystical concepts, they are practical tools that can transform your life. Checkmark visualize your desires. Checkmark feel the emotions of already having them. Checkmark align your energy with your goals. Checkmark take action and trust the process. Everything you dream of is already waiting for you, you just need to claim it. If this video inspired you, hit the like button, share it with someone who needs motivation, and subscribe for more powerful content. Let's manifest greatness together.